All right, let's go over example 3, multiplying a fraction and a mixed number. Okay, so we need to find 1/2 times 2 3/4. So this 2 3/4, that is a mixed number. Remember that a mixed number is a whole number and a fraction. So our whole number in this case is 2, with the fraction being 3/4. Okay, so we kind of added a few more steps to this process. So I have them in green over here. So steps for multiplying improper fractions. Step 1, change mixed number to improper fraction. And to do that, we're going to multiply the denominator and add the numerator. So let me show you what that looks like. So we're going to multiply the denominator. So I'm going to put a little multiplication dot right there. Remember that dot means multiplication. And add the numerator. Okay. So also our denominator, the bottom number stays the same. So before I do anything, I'm just going to get that down before I forget. Okay, so multiply the denominator. We're going to take 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 3, which is 11. So again, denominator stays the same. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So you kind of work in a circle there. So now we have our improper fraction. Okay, I'm just going to rewrite our problem because now we have half, we can't forget about our first fraction, times 11/4. And remember, an improper fraction means that the top number, the numerator, is larger than the bottom number, the denominator. It's top heavy. Okay, step 2 is to simplify. So just like we did in the previous example, I'm going to use a different color here. So remember, to simplify, we're going to look across. Okay, let's see. Can 2 go into 11? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Nope. And that's it. So we can't simplify across. And then we have a 1 and a 4. Well, here's a hint. Whenever you see a 1, that's as small as it can be. You cannot simplify that. So we can't simplify this at all. So step 3, rewrite simplified fractions if needed. Not needed. Move on. Step 4, multiply numerators. Okay, so in our numerators, we have 1 times 11. And 1 times anything is that anything. So 1 times 11 is 11. And then step 5, multiply denominators. We have a 2 and a 4. So 2 times 4. And that is 8. Okay, we're not quite done because step 6 says simplify improper fraction into a mixed number. So our improper fraction is, we have an improper fraction. We need to turn that back into a mixed number, kind of like what we started with. So to do that, we're going to we're going to count by 8s. We're going to count by our denominator, which is 8. So 8, 16, and we're going to try and get as close to 11, but not over. Well, that would be just 8. So let's see. 8 goes into 11 one time. So 1 is my whole number. And then to find out, and then our denominator stays the same. Okay. To find out what our numerators, we're going to take 11 minus 8, which is 3. So our numerator is 3. So here's our answer. 1 3/8.